Aloha, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set, one of a kind. I love snowflakes, guys, so chose this stamp set. We have a basic white cardstock here. This is 7/8 inch by 1.5. This is a scrap for a stamping and punching. And then I got two pieces here of basic white cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Here's a Misty Moonlight for die cutting. And Night of Navy cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. This is the base of our card, and I'll go ahead and burnish that. Let me get my bone folder here. Burnish that down. And then let's go ahead and start with Balmy Blue and our flurry. So I'm just stamping it around this card, concentrating on having a center. And then I'll put some of these flurries in the corner of the card. Oh, did you see I kind of stamped too hard there? No need to stamp hard. There we go. I'll cover that up. And then Misty Moonlight for our snowflakes. Snowflakes and Misty Moonlight. Thought I said that to our ladies yesterday, and they kind of got a little mixed up, and put this color in the lighter blue. There we go. Now with the snowflake, just gonna be stamping all over on the side. 3 big ones or bigger ones. It's not the biggest one. And then some small one, just like that. And then I am gonna put some here. And of course, I'm gonna cover up that little boo-boo. Okay, I think that's it. Just one. Just like this. And then do we want to get an envelope out? I should have thought of that. Let's get an envelope out, huh? And decorate the envelope, you guys, just like that. And since it was a late thought, let me get the flurry type of on there, huh? Just like that, guys. Isn't that cute? I love it. Love it, love it, you guys. Oh, was I in screen there? See it? Okay, and then I am going off screen to go ahead and I am going to run that through a stamp embossing machine with the Snowflake Sky embossing folder. Just like this, placing it in here. I'm going to run this part in first, and with the Stampin' Up logo up. Okay, and my sandwich was 4 on top. Folder with my cardstock inside and 1 on the bottom. How do you like that? Can you see the dimension there that it added? Love it. and with this here and this here, I'm actually going to use the one of a kind, guys. And I'll be right back. Okay, take this out. I'm getting my pokey tool, using the take your pick tool, pokey end, to take this out. Oh, I don't know why I did that and took that there. I wanted to clean this out. There was some cardstock still stuck in the die there. Okay, let's clean this up. And last greeting in Night of Navy ink. Center right on top. Hope you have the merriest season ever. I believe we have all of our pieces, so let's get our card base back in here, and we'll go ahead and glue the inside of our card down. A little bit of glue goes a long way, guys. You see, just a thin strip of glue will hold this in place. It will not go anywhere, guys. Love it, you guys, love it. This also, straight down on the top of the card. Again, a little bit of glue, thin layer, thin lines, I should say. Right on there. And then let me grab some Stampin' Dimensionals. Let's go ahead and turn them over. I think I only had 2 on here yesterday, but let's go ahead and put 3. And then 1 in the middle here that no one will see. Our card base is white, so even though there were, can you tell that there's, yes, you can see them through there with my dark tabletop. But on the white cardstock, it doesn't it kind of disappear? Yeah, I love it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put a dimensional up here on this side, the top side, and then I'll put a little tiny bit of glue right here. Did you see that? And this is going up here. This down here. And then, oh wait, did I put it in the wrong spot? I put it in the wrong spot, you guys. Grab my scrap back, take that glue off. Move this over. I want it up on this side, because it's going on this side, and I'll put the glue down here at this bottom, this corner. A little bit of glue goes a long way, huh? There we go. Okay, right like that. How do you like that? Love it, love it, love it. Okay, and then I did grab out some of the shiny cord here, Simply Elegant trim. This is actually in the clearance rack right now. Am I in the camera, you guys? Sorry about that. I always seem to bring it close to me, huh? And then I need some glue dots. Here it is, glue dots. Okay, smash them on the glue dot, then I'll take the glue dot off and I'll just put this over here to the side. Love it, you guys. Oh, I wanna push that down over there. Give it a little trim. Are you guys saying, Jackie, trim those tails? Yeah? What happened to my other trash? What happened to it? And then we need some rhinestones. You know, I always need to put some rhinestones on there. That makes it so shiny, so beautiful. Too cute, you know? So I'm just gonna take some, spread them out there, all around. Since it's Christmas, let's give a little bit of extra bling on there, huh? That's the hardest part. Where do you put them? But here you go, you guys. What do you think? Cute. Christmas card, quick and easy. Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up products, please visit my online store. The website is linked in the description of this video. And don't forget, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye.